Now I'm gonna ask it, give me the path. And there you go. So what I'm gonna do is verify if this really exists or not. I can do it by simply saying cd, and let's just see if there is SSHing inside it, right? Let me ls, and you can see SSHing text over here, and I can open the text by using the cat command. And there you go. Hi, this is SSHing. So it works. I found out that you can talk to your computer or your server and make them do things instead of you having to manually SSH into it, or maybe opening up your laptop that is lying around. You can exactly do this thing by using OpenClaw, which is like the trending open source software in the AI space right now. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to install OpenClaw in just 5 simple steps. You don't have to be a software engineer. You don't really need to know how to code or anything. It's just installation, running a bunch of commands, and that's pretty much it. So let's just get started. So the first step is pretty straightforward. You need to have a VPS or maybe like a laptop that's lying around for the bot to run. So for this video, I'm going to be using my server that is in the GCP. And step number 2 is installation process. So for that, what you need to do is just simply Google OpenClaw and go to the first link that you see. That's probably going to be the OpenClaw website, since it's really a hot topic. And then scroll down, you're going to find the installation link, the URL which you need to run. Since I'm using a Linux server, I just need to copy this thing and install it. So I'm going to search into my VM. So let me SSH into my VM. Yes, this is like a VM that I created for this video, so that's the reason why it's asking to add the fingerprint and stuff. So once you are in the VM, we just need to paste the code command. Okay, that's gone. I need to copy it one more time. Just paste it and run, and just wait for the OpenClaw to be installed. So moving on to step number 3, which is to have API key. So the OpenClaw itself is just a bot in a bare bones. So you need like AI on top of it to understand whatever that we are trying to ask the bot to do. So for that, you can either use your ChatGPT or Gemini API key if you have it handy, or if you're someone like me, you can also make use of OpenRouter. So what you need to do is just head to OpenRouter website. And OpenRouter has got tons of models. So to use the model, you need to create an API key first. So just create an API key. I have one handy. So make sure that when you create an API key, you just need to copy the key. Otherwise, it's gone forever. So you're going to have to create a new one. So either you can top up your account and make use of paid models. But if you just want to demo OpenClaw just to see how efficient it is or how it works, you can also make use of free models. So you can scroll through any of the models you want and you just can pick it. Or you can pick it from OpenClaw as well during the installation process, which I will show you. So it's installing, so let's just wait for some time. Okay, so finally the installation is done. So we got the first question, which is, understand this is powerful and inherently risky. Yeah, let's just continue, right? Let's just go wild with OpenClaw and see how far it goes. Okay, we want a quick start. And there you go, you can really choose the models you want from this. So I'm going to go with OpenRouter, but if you have like any API key of any of these models handy, you just can use it. So in OpenRouter, you just need to paste the OpenRouter API key. So I'm going to be using mine, which I have over here. I'm going to paste it. So from here, I can choose all the available models. So for this purpose, I'm going to be using Trinity Mini Free. So let's just see how that goes. And coming to the step number 4. So how do you have a conversation with your server or your computer from your phone? So for that, we're going to be using Telegram, right? So what you need to do is just create a Telegram bot and then you have to link it with the server so that you can have a conversation with the server from your Telegram. So for that, like obviously just open your Telegram account and then go to the bot father. So this is like the official bot creating bot on Telegram. So here you just need to enter the command new bot, and there you go. You just need to give a name to the bot. So I'm gonna give it like OpenRSH and bot. You need to add bot underscore bot, which is like the naming convention that Telegram follows. Yeah, I mean, I just did that. Look like it didn't follow. Let's do it one more time. Okay, it's taken. Let's do. Okay, so we finally got the API key. So what you need to do is copy the API key. We're back to the terminal, enter key, and then just paste it over here and just wait. Alright, looks like I just have to enter the API key one more time. Okay, let's just do that and wait. So it's asking me if I want to configure skills or not. So the thing is, you can add some skills to the bot if you want, so the bot will just act accordingly, which I'm not going to go through in this video because it's all about installation. This is something that we can go in depth maybe in another video. So let me just quickly say no, and this one I'm going to be skipping for now. You can see the gateway has been installed. Pretty exciting, right? So let's just wait for some time. Okay, so hatching TUI, which means you can have a conversation with the bot right now from your terminal UI. Okay, so let's just see. Good morning, I'm awake and ready to assist. How can I help you today? Hey, this is our session here, and you are my personal assistant. How are you doing today? How you doing today? I'm doing well, thank you for asking. How can I assist you today? So I'll just say you have to follow my instructions and confirm implemented. This is pretty cool. Guided rationale, confirm twice before acting. What would you like me to do? Alright, so that's you having a conversation with your bot in the server, which is something, I mean, it's cool, but that is not the point of this video, right? We should be able to talk to the server from our phone. So let's just see how to do it. Let's exit the TUI and go back to our bot. So let's just have a conversation with it. And what you need to do is just click on it. And there you go. We are inside our bot. So let's just start and just say, there you go. We started and it says OpenClaw access not configured. So that's step number 5. We need to configure the access. So even though right now the Telegram is linked with your server, the access is still not configured. So for that, what you need to do is use parent code. You just need to copy. And let's go back to the OpenClaw website. And if you scroll down, you can see all these integrations, right? So just click on the integration part and click on the Telegram, which is what we are using at the moment. And then if you scroll down, you'll be able to see this command, which is what we're going to be using. So just copy it, go back to the terminal, paste it over here, and replace the code with the one that you got in Telegram. Okay. Alright. Okay. So the reason why we got that error is because of this warning. So what you need to do is just copy the path, keep it handy, and you just need to open the bash RC. So let's just nano it and then scroll down, and over here you just need to add it, and then exit. Just say yes, and also make sure you reload the bash RC. So how do you do it? You just need to type in source, and that's it. You're good to go. So right now we can run our OpenClaw pairing command once again and see what happens. Okay, there you go. It's been approved. Let's just type in hi. There you go. And I can ask it, tell me the top running task in the server. And there you go. We got the result. So let's just say I want to create a text file that says hi SSHing in it. I can do that too. So let me ask create a text file with the content, and let's just wait for it. Now I'm gonna ask it, give me the path. And there you go. So what I'm gonna do is verify if this really exists or not. I can do it by simply saying cd, and let's just see if there is SSHing inside it, right? Let me know this. And you can see SSHing text over here, and I can open the text by using the cat command. And there you go. Hi, this is SSHing. So it works. And also, you need to know I have barely scratched the surface of OpenClaw. This is really powerful tool, and you can do a lot of amazing stuff with it. Maybe in the next video, I will show you how you can create your own portfolio website just in the server by talking to your bot. You'll be like having a conversation with your server from your Telegram, and you can just publish your website just like that without touching the code. So that is something I'm planning to do in the next video. Just let me know if you are interested too. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you all will give it a shot and just let me know how it went for you. So thank you. And if there is any other software tools or AI tools that you want me to review, just let me know. I can do a video about it. So if you like it, let me know that too in the comments.